good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome back to another week of trading where we are going to discuss about financial markets and the current structure in terms of fundamental and also technical analysis, how the market is behaving and what are the types of opportunity or potential setups that we will be looking for. All right. So having a look on some of the just let's say let's have a look at the American dollar. All right. So the debate in the U.S. Congress over a new coronavirus aid bill will gather pace this week, and this could be a main driver of market sentiment amid fears over economic downturn. And once current benefits expire at the end of the month, how we will be actually seeing how the dollar will be positioning right after. So earnings will also swing into high gear, with investors hoping that some big names could offer better news is what has been a dismissal season so far. So you see, having a look on Thursday jobless claims report that we will be likely show that the number of people who filing for benefits barely declined once again, with millions still out of work. Right, and also having a look on the eurozone, we will be actually seeing the leaders are still trying to hammer out a deal on a possible recovery fund worth of 750 billion euro. Right, so while PMI data on Friday will give more insight into the speed of the post-lockdown economic bounce back. Right, so here's why we will be looking into some of the let's just say assuming what are the top 5 events that will be impacting in the FX or stock market. First of all, we'll be looking into you see the stimulus battle which looms in Washington. Lawmakers in the US Senate will resume some of the talks on a new coronavirus aid bill this week as the US economy approaches a critical stage in the recovery from the pandemic. Right, so let's just say having a look on the structure of the American dollar, how we would be looking at it. Let's just see if I will go to 4-hour chart here. As you could see here in the current structure, we see that it seems like it has found a double bottom. All right, so from here we could be expecting a push up to the to the upside. However, we're gonna wait and see, because if you see on Monday itself, dollar is strengthening, trading at about 96.13 handle. So from here, let's just say even if I go to the H1, right, as you could see here, it is bouncing. And previously also there has been a support at this particular zone. So we could see a bounce up in the dollar in the coming few days. All right. However, any changes within the days, we will be providing your forecast accordingly. Also, having a look on extended unemployment benefits for the approximated 32 million Americans out of the world due to end on 31st July. So the expiration of the federal program will leave millions of gig workers and the self-employed among others, so who do not qualify for regular state unemployment insurance without an income. And also, as having a look on the coming Thursday, we have got Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer unveiled a $350 billion investment plan, but Republicans have said that they hope the final package will not cost more than $1 trillion. Right, so that would be some of the events that we'll be looking into. Also, Tesla, Intel, Microsoft are the big names to watch in the earnings this week. The second quarter earnings season is on course to see the largest drop in the profit since the fourth quarter of 2008. So according to the data from S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average, but investors are also hoping that results from Tesla and Microsoft could offer some cheers this week. And you see, when we talk about Tesla, which has seen a strong rally this year, is due to report its largest, or I would say the latest quarterly earnings on Wednesday. If it posts a profit, it would mark its first cumulative 4-quarter profit, paving the way for its addition to the S&P 500. Right. So also, if let's say talking about Microsoft, which reports results on Wednesday, followed by Intel on Thursday, with both seen likely to have benefited from remote working trends during the pandemic. Right, so these are few. We also have got a US jobless claims. Let's say we have a look on economic calendar. As usual, every week we have got US jobless claims, and economists are saying that unemployment remains uncomfortably high. This is why, which could intensify the resurgence of the virus, depresses demand and increase bankruptcies, especially in the retail sector. So let's just say if we have a look on current picture, That's what it is. Our economic, we've got retail sales from Canada coming up. We have got Bank of Consumer Price Index, and we have on Thursday initial jobless claims, and also on Friday we have got manufacturing index from England. So calendar is you see it's not much. I would say that loaded with some of the economic events that will be impacting it. So we will be actually looking more towards price action and technical analysis structure. We also have got Eurozone, UK PMI data coming out, right? So all in all, this will be some of the market moving data that will be actually impacting into the forex market, especially related to the Europe here. So having a look at some of the price action structures, let me just pick up the 5 charts. As you could see here, GBP JPY is ranging at the moment, but we could see there could be a break to the upside. But for that, we gotta wait and see, because you see, if you see here, it has started to develop a trend that can give a picture to the upside. However, we will wait and see the possible structure scenario, which could be, as you could see there on Monday, we don't expect much, and probably this could be finding, and it needs to complete this pattern, and then we will see what would be the next move on this. So potentially it can actually also push up. So however, let's wait and see by tomorrow how the market will take move. And CAD JPY, if you see here, this page is also ranging at the moment, but the risk is to the upside. All right, so as you could see here on today's basis, we can potentially see a push up on here. All right, and then moreover, as you say, we will be coming back to bring you our London session forecast, and we will see how the market is taking structures from there. And S&P 500, let's just say there could be a correction coming up, and then there's a possible likelihood that it can actually drop and then rebound. So let's just wait and see, because as you see, it can come down a bit and then make a way back. Right, so that's how we will be positioning ourselves. Euro USD is expected to retrace back. It has been overbought. So like you see, as I spoke about it, you see the trend changes from day to days and week to weeks. So from now, I would see that it's a matter of time. It will be making its way back down. GBP NZ is potentially going to hit our TP2, but if you see here, what could be let me just. So it can actually go down furthermore. So from here, right, it's developing some sort of a descending triangle. So there is, I would say that, potential room for it to actually goes down. Okay, and GBP USD is also, we probably could see a downside on this if it breaks this potential support. All right, so we gotta wait and see to see a break below here, then it will open the room to the downside for GBP USD. Right. So anyways, that's all for the week. We will be having more updates in our London session forecast. Don't forget to join on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and from time to time we'll be providing you the updates, what's going on in the financial markets throughout the week. For now, I will be signing off, and I wish you all a great, profitable trading week, and we will see you guys soon in our next video. Thank you very much, and have a good day.